Hey there, fellow YouTuberinos. It's me, Salvador. Today I'm going to show you how cool the original Tekno Robotc Puppy was, and still is. 2006-2007 version too, which is really cool as well. Here's the box. Here's Tekno's bone and instruction manual. And here is 1999 to 2000's Tekno, the robotic puppy. He was much bigger than the Teknos we have now. There's me right next to him. Isn't he huge?
Woo, woo.
But size doesn't really matter, it's quality. So let's get down to it. Let's make him howl. Let's see if he can howl. It says, press and hold mode button, which is right here, and head sensor together until you hear 4 beeps. Okay. Then cover his eyes. To fetch, press and hold neck sensor for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Clap to make him come to you. Make rude noises. Press and hold mode button and head sensor for 3 seconds until you hear 4 beeps. Did you hear him? He also sings. something with the bone, but I haven't figured it out yet. Oh, I guess they do interact with each other.